Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Pre-Market Analysis Live for Monday, November the 22nd, 2020. For those stateside, this is going to be it's going to be a short week for all the traders, as we know that Thursday the markets will be closed on Thursday in observance of Thanksgiving in the US of A. So, short week, does that mean that there are no opportunity for trading options? Absolutely not. If anything, we have observed in the past empirical data, not necessarily means that that should repeat, but we have seen that in this shorter week with a holiday in between, the market actually tends to move more, believe it or not, meaning, yeah, the move will be more pronounced. So, let's be on the lookout for that. So, on the agenda this morning, we're going to be going into Finwiz to see what's are the gappers to prepare you for another trading day. On here, we will talk about some of the opportunity on our watch list. For those who were with us on about 10 days ago, we shared a live day trading session here on a Thursday. We revealed to you a watch list. That watch list, I believe, it didn't have one, not two, not three, but at least 5-10 baggers, including a 50 bagger on BA that was traded this week. You can check all of that on our Twitter feed or on our Discord, right? So anybody, we share the link for our Discord on here last time. If you want to check us out, this is the time to do that, to set yourself up for a brand new year. Okay, excellent. We say hello to Jay Bates. Looking forward to trading. Absolutely. So just let me know, sir, trader, please, because we don't know the gender of this person, whether or not the sound is satisfactory. As I'm not sure for technical difficulty here in this morning. I'm not seeing any concurrent viewers. Okay, well, let's see then. Let's dive in and very quickly prepare ourselves here for another day, live day trading of options on here in pre-market this morning. Congratulations if you are holding either the stock of Vonage or options or called options of Vonage, because you are handsomely rewarded. Vonage there's a news that's Ericsson, yeah, the telecommunication company, is acquiring Vonage, so that's an interesting one. So the stock is up almost 25% there, trading at $20.39. So typically, I mean, there's no trade here normally, unless I'm mistaken. I mean, I didn't read the deal, right? I just discovering the news really right now. So when a company is acquired like this, the price is fixed. So meaning that for the foreseeable future, Vonage stock is going to be, if the deal was at $20 or whatever, it's just going to be flat at that level. So there's really no trade there on that. But you never know. I've seen actually that after this, maybe a competitor could launch a counter offer bid or something. Yeah, that's the only possibility where you may see an acquired company in a deal of stock continue to climb, but typically it just stays flat at that level. The other big mover here on the bullish side on this morning, SQM plus 10.6%. This is a chemical from Chile. I'm not familiar with this stock at all, so that's something that's just have to see on your own what to do with this. Envita Semiconductor, not that one. These are secondary stocks. I mean, I see a stock here up 6% with 13 shares of volume. Okay, well, that's not going to really be that much attractive. Now, a stock that's moving with a purpose and we are more familiar with that one is NEO. NEO's up this morning plus 4% or thereabouts, so with 1.1 million shares. So yeah, absolutely, this is a trade on here that we can day trade this. We can day trade option on this one. All right, above VWAP posting higher highs, or below VWAP posting lower lows, because our good friend Neo, it's notorious for gapping up and then reversing, but at least it's starting on the bullish side this morning. A stock that has been on a tear literally since last week. That's not STEM, that is the one just below that. It's Roblox. We talked about this. Was it last week? Yes, we talked about Roblox last week. I didn't trade it. I didn't trade it. I just like well, maybe some people. I looked at this stock go up. I checked the option at some point. I think what deterred me, what's made me shy away from it a little bit. I think there was a day, either Tuesday, the stock was up like 7%, and I went to the option chain of Roblox that you're looking at on the chart from Finviz, and that's all the option. Most of the option out of the money, they were up like not that far out of the money, but they were only up like 100%. Implied volatility was relatively high on there. So this type of option, I mean, it's money, but they're not going to be my prime trade. But obviously now, Monday morning quarterbacking, looking at it, how it went from last week, the stock went from sub 110, I think was traded at 106, and so all the way to almost $140. That's a good trade, because that 100% every single day, guess what? By the time you got into Friday, that's a 5-bagger. But I was expecting more. I was expecting the gains to be bigger for a stock that was consistently gaining 7-8% on a daily basis. But let's see what's Roblox. Roblox, we talked about this one. This is related to Meta. So it's electronic gaming for kids, and yeah, so this is we touched a word on it. So congratulations if you traded Roblox on here. It's pretty much every single pre-market that's I've been checking this week. The stock has been going up. So other stock that are up this morning, other than Neo, Billy here. Yeah, Billy electronic gaming again from China. This one is all over the place, folks. Yeah, this is a stock that was trading last week $90 or $85, found itself after earnings almost at 65, and now it's trying to find its footing again. So yeah, this is a prime example of the volatility in this market. So you can definitely day trade and swing trade, more importantly swing trade Billy, because you will wake up one morning just like, whoa, with substantial gain on there. So I'm gonna make Billy as a good potential on here. Let's see if we can day trade this during the day, and then at the end of the day we will be setting up a trade for my traders in our Discord room for an overnight swing trade. So Billy, overnight swing trade. I mean, as it's starting right now at plus how much is Billy up here? Billy is up plus 4%. So yeah, if that momentum continue, when we come at the end of the day to set up, we don't have to wait for the end of the day to set up a swing trade, but typically that's what I use, because we have a trade list of option that usually does well for us during the day. So I told you guys that I have to set up pre-schedule time to come here and check opportunities on Finviz. But I have somebody in the coaching session this week who will be helping us with that. So for those in our Discord room, look for that. There is at least one person who I'm hoping can give us a hand into tracking opportunities on here. DKS is here. Is trading at all-time high. DKS, we have a great trade on its last earnings season, and I believe DKS will be in the earnings for this week. That's going to be on our last segment. So here we give you some few opportunities on the bullish side. Let's take a look at the bearish side on here. What's tracking here on Finviz this morning? So Oriana Pharmaceutical minus 14%. Don't know anything about it. I mean, other than the stock recently popped above $24 and then did some type of sideways on there, as you can see on the screen. What is this one here? Magnolia Oil and Gas. Okay, I see a downtrend forming here. Yeah, this is a great swing trade here. You see how typically people will take, let's say traders will take long-term trades for on the bullish side, right? This one is a prime candidate. Take a downtrend, a semi-long-term trend for the bearish side. So if MGN, let me set up this trade for you guys here. So I'm analyzing this live, folks, in a live day trading session on here on Monday, November the 22nd, 2021. So if I go to the option chain of MGY, we discover that this stock only has monthly option. This is perfect. This is exactly one of the recent trade the strategy that I want to use here. Why? Because if this stock start moving on the first week, yeah, this is the first week of the monthly expiration for December. Guess what? The time left, the value of time left will make it that your options are going to be appreciating very nicely. On here, I mean, let's say the stock is down minus 4%. It's not a big deal, right? But The support here, we can see support at 16. So the 16, do they offer us anything on the 16 range? No, we have 17 and a half puts. They closed at 35 cents on Friday, 60 cents ask price. So let's say, well, maybe we can get this one for less than 50 cents, 17 and a half. That's pretty good. If not, maybe the one that I really like better will be, let's try to get into the 15 puts for MGY. So MGY expiration is December 17. So that's 25 days from now because it only has monthly. But if we start moving, folks, yeah, supports at 16. We don't need to be in the money to make money, meaning that on our 15 puts, which is the goal here is to try to steal this morning for less than 10 cents, 10 cents max. Yeah, that so if we can get it cheaper, even better. So 10 cents on here, and if this stock is to continue this bearish momentum that is starting right now, let's say it breaks below that support of 18 and it goes to 16 within this week or next week, those options, those 10 cents contract, folks, that's where we're trying to steal the 15 put. They're going to be very, very interesting. Conversely, just if we carry this as a swing trade, the strike price for the calls, on here, I mean, 22 and a half. And at this stage, again, we will try to get the 22 and a half because right now it's bearish, right? As of Friday, the 22 and a half puts, they were going for 23 cents. Yeah. So let's try to get them as well for 10, 15 cents. That's where we set up a swing trade as a strangle on here on MGY. And what we are looking for either a nice bounce off of this support here at 18 or a continuation of the bearish momentum to 16, and in which case, hey, that will definitely yield multiple baggers. So this is a live trade that we are giving you here, just analyzing MGY, the second stock that's gapping down this morning. Wow, I love doing this. It took 3 minutes. Lucid, yeah, Lucid is all over the place, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Good luck trading that. That's not my cup of tea, those stocks that's just... So this is Rivian, the auto manufacturer that's after the IPO that have been all over the place. I'm not sure if options are available yet. Let me see here, because typically after an IPO, a stock, they will wait for at least a couple of weeks or more to give us options. So Rivian, let's see, Rivian Automotive does not have options yet. Yeah, so as of now, you can only trade the stock. So we'll have to wait for that. So next one on here. Perrigo Company, drug manufacturer. Oh boy, look at this chart. Boof. Hubba. Not my cup of tea, to be honest with you. BKKG, yeah. So this one, after that pop up to $50, coming back to reality. Yeah. If you're holding the back, and really, this is not conducive to day trading. Look at the ATRs, too small already. Those are too small. One that I'm really, I look at this morning, and that I'm really scrutinizing, because last month, was it last month? It was in October, actually. It popped early October. Are we coming back to reality here on Tata Motors? This one also has, does it have weekly option? I believe it has a weekly option. I should know this, right? Because after missing that trade in October, yes, it does have weekly options. So, yeah, because, oh my, there's no support here, folks, all the way to below 25. There's no support on this one. So maybe that's another one where we take the stand to say, okay, we do something monthly or 3 weeks out, and we are looking for the 25 puts. Let me quickly go here and try to simulate something on TTM as we are on the second segment of live day trading pre-market analysis here on Monday, November the 22nd, 2021. So simulating, let's go to December 3rd, December 10th. So if I want some put here, I can take 25 puts. So let's simulate 25 puts here. What's the ongoing price for this? 25 puts for below 20 cents. Yeah, I like that. I will definitely like that a lot. It has been going sideways for over a month, folks. At some point, it's going to have to pick a direction. We have seen stock like this, so either it comes back down or decide to break above 35. 35 has been resistance, folks. 35 has been resistance. So there's a trade looming on TTM, that's Tata Motors, an auto manufacturer from India. All right, what else are we seeing here? We are seeing ATVI. I believe ATVI, is it one of our trade alert this week? So yeah, so let's focus now on the trade alerts. So just to give heads up to our subscriber in our Discord room. Let's see, let's just check, pick a check on here. Okay, at least we see a few people here. So greetings, beautiful gates, and I see others. Okay, so I guess it's another case of people who overslept. It's easy to oversleep in November. The time. Well, for us it's 6:08 Pacific time, AM Pacific time on here. We take the opportunity to say hello to those across the globe. We have traders trading from in our Discord room, trading from London, from Brussels. Yeah, Europe is in full force. We even have traders from China on here in our Discord, or our Africa as well. I take the opportunity to say hello to everybody listening in our beloved city of Douala. All right, so what's moving in our watch list this morning? Nvidia, folks. Nvidia, this stock is literally just unstoppable. I don't know, right? So Nvidia is up 2.23%, 2.20%. They're about there. So we can expect that those options that we pick, they are going to be moving in this pre-market. I'm just going to, let me quickly here, and we can tell them, if trust me, if let's say the only condition for us to get as many 10 baggers as we got last week is to reveal our watch list as we did for the past week, right? Hey, sign me up. I have no problem doing that. Etsy is part of our watch list, and it's gapping up 1% this morning. A lot of stock are gapping, folks, so maybe that's not a clear indication. How can somebody join Discord? Okay, that's a good question. So I guess that means that I need to share the Discord link again. Let's go here. Let me just do that. That's a question that is being asked by a trader live on there. Let me. I should have this Discord invite at the tip of my fingers, but that's fine. That's fine. Let's go get the Discord on here. So under onboarding and how to join our Discord. So okay, so get access to our Discord room. Let's copy this and paste it here. All right. That answers that question. Excellent. Okay, so that's done. Very good. So let's come back here into our watch list. So we have ATVI on our watch list, and we have Nvidia on our watch list of option for this week, meaning this is a computer program, folks, that give us this trade last week. Just check our Twitter feed or come into our Discord. The link is just posted here to see how many 10 baggers we got from that watch list last week. So that's what I'm saying. It was the first time that we shared the watch list live with everybody. So I'm saying, maybe I'm being superstitious here that, hey, if I share the watch list again with just these few people who are kindly watching here on YouTube, guess what? We may have, so let's see. So which one is moving? So Nvidia, we talked about that. ATVI, we talked about that. Let's see here. Adobe was a stock that we did a great trade on Friday, folks. Yeah, because the watch list come every Thursday and it's actionable starting on the very next day on Friday. So we made great money on Adobe. This morning Adobe is gapping up 1.5%, nicely under. So the strike price that we are tracking on here is $720. Hey, let's see how much it opens by today. I'm actually liking it, folks. So meaning I will be trading Adobe should that trend, if the trend is bullish above VWAP posting higher has, no, the price that I'm looking at was as of Thursday. Yeah, so silly me, because I was like, oh, this thing is only, it was 14 cents bid, 68 cents ask. So yeah, that I know, I should know better, right? I traded the 720 calls on Friday. They went as high as $2 something. So let's see where they start the day on here. But Adobe is about to break out all-time high at $700. So these are part of the momentum trade that we are looking forward to. All right, that gives you, and again, if you want to join, to subscribe, when you come to our Discord channel, say hello, and I will give you the link how to become a subscriber. What do you expect? What to expect as being a subscriber? I will coach you personally through using Zoom on live coaching session. You will have access to we have up to 5 strategies. So the successful trade alert is just one of those strategies. There are other 5 strategies that we trade on here. And definitely, if you want to learn about technical analysis, absolutely, this is the place where to do that. A lot of traders, I got 2 new members who joined this morning. They see videos that we have made on how we trade QQQ, and those multiple gains on there. So yes, I will teach you how to trade QQQ. I will teach you how to build a strategy based on your favorite stock. Yes, meaning answering the question, I will teach you quantitative analysis of the type. What's the best day to trade your favorite stock? And please, if your favorite stock happen to be Apple, just lie to me. Tell me something else. Yeah? There's so many other stocks. How many stocks are in the stock market meeting our criteria? If we quickly go back here into Finviz, there are 872 stocks that are optionable over $15 and which have an average daily volume of 1 million shares or more. So, I mean, Apple, yeah, is great, but could you be more creative? Well, no, that's fine. That's fine. So I'm not scolding people for loving Apple. No, absolutely not. So, yeah. So while we are on Finviz, let's close on here by looking at earnings this season. Earnings season has been just... well, I will be talking about that in another show. The earnings season has been feast or famine, meaning the way to make money recently this season in earnings season has been to literally gamble, meaning just the jumps have been off. So here this week, what are we looking at? We are looking at BBY. Look at the chart. Look at the daily chart of BBY, folks, since October. You could have gotten this. You and I, we could have gotten this out of a double bottom or triple bottom, if you will, at 105. And since then, this BBY buy has skyrocketed all the way to $137. I say less. I mean, let me make sure that the people can see that screen, that screen of BBY. Again, this is the chart of the daily chart of BBY, folks. So going into earning, when are they reporting earning? Tomorrow after market open, after market close, or before market? So feast or famine. So in any case, but I was looking at these options. They were expensive. So I don't know if I'm going to, again, I have not been able to gamble, folks. I just cannot do it. I just cannot do it. My instincts, but I cannot ignore the reality. That's how market makers have been doing it. So I'm going to try. So some of them, Dick's Sporting Good, we made money after earnings using the Ganser strategy last time. So, but all of them, I'm going to try as much as possible. So the 3 candidates this week, actually 4 candidates, because I'm just seeing one that really has. You look at Zoom. Zoom is trading at $252. Yes, it was $340. much more. So Zoom has earning. It's going to be feast or famine. So 280, 300 calls, and 200 puts. I guess that's the only thing that could be coming. GPS, the gap is a stock that moves as well on earnings. So these are the opportunities on here. So let's actually go do a proper job here, citing all of the opportunity to look for earnings. So Nordstrom, JWN, Telex, that's easy for you. Yeah. GPS in the same industry, consumer cyclical apparel retail department store, if you will. The gap. GPS, that's a nice ticker. GPS, God positioning system. I don't know. I mean, has to put God in it this morning. Zoom video, that's the third one. So actually, let me write them here. So for myself, GWN, GPS, Zoom, ZM, Futu. This Futu stock, is that support, right? Well, support somehow. It has been stuck for the entire month about between, let's say, $55, $60. But look where the stock's coming. It was worth twice as much in September, folks. Yeah? Is there an opportunity here for Futu, even as an investor, to start buying this stock? So that's going to be an interesting earning. Futu. GKS, yes, we talked about that. So we have some strong opportunity for Ganser trade here. But again, AGSK is another one that we had a great trade last earnings season on here. So GKS is trading at $323. Yeah, feast or famine, folks. So we will be trying to get something out of them. HPQ, yeah, HPQ is a candidate as well on here. So that's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stocks already. And then BBY, obviously, $3. Oh my goodness, look at this chart of $3. Just like BBY, from October 100 price, literally they made the same move. I mean, the slope on BBY is a little bit more pronounced, but from $100 to $135, $3 will be having earning this week. So we'll be looking for that. So BBY, $3 are the two the last two that we have on the list under here. So yeah, you have the link to our Discord. Say hello and let me know how I can help you take your trading to the next level. Until then, thank you everybody. Have a great trading session. It's currently 9:17 or 18 a.m. on this Monday, Thanksgiving week, and hope everybody is ready to make some money. There will be more, folks. I'm seeing a lot of gappers in pre-market, and if you are a beginner trader, successful trading can help you take your trading to the next level. Have a great trading week, and have a great Thanksgiving for all of those statesides. Thank you. Bye bye.